Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best football tablecloth fabric is probably one of the most versatile and durable materials you can choose for your next party or game day gathering, offering a unique blend of style and practicality that's sure to impress your guests and protect your surfaces. This fabric isn't just about aesthetics, it's engineered to withstand spills, stains, and frequent use, making it an ideal choice for any football-themed event, from casual watch parties to more formal celebrations, ensuring your table looks great throughout the festivities and beyond. Number 5. Football Party Disposable Tablecloth 2-Pack. Get ready for the ultimate football party with these essential decorations. They are perfect for any game day celebration or birthday bash. Each tablecloth measures 54 by 108 inches, making them ideal for 8-foot tables. You'll receive 2 in this pack, ensuring great coverage. Featuring a vibrant football field design and fun patterns, these covers instantly create an exciting game day atmosphere for all your guests. Made from thick, durable PE plastic, they are both waterproof and oil-proof. This means worry-free feasting and easy cleanup. Cleanup is a breeze with these disposable tablecloths. Simply wrap up the mess and enjoy more time celebrating with friends and family. These are perfect for football-themed parties, game days, tailgates, and birthday celebrations. They're a must-have for any true football fan. What we like. This set offers 2 generously sized tablecloths, perfect for covering larger tables. Its waterproof and oil-proof PE material ensures your surfaces stay protected from spills and messes. If you're hosting a football-themed party and want a hassle-free cleanup, this is the ideal choice for quick and easy disposal after the fun. What people say. Great for kids' parties, easy to clean up. The design is vibrant and festive, perfect for a football-themed event. Number 4. 6-Pack Football Plastic Tablecloths. Introducing our football-themed tablecloths, perfect for your next game day celebration. They offer excellent protection for your table surfaces. Crafted from high-quality PE material, these covers are built to last. They provide a smooth surface that guards against scratches and stains. Measuring 54 by 108 inches, each cover fits most rectangular tables seating 8 to 10 people. It's the perfect size for family gatherings during football season. Don't worry about spills or messes. Simply wipe them clean with a cloth or paper, or roll them up and discard for quick and convenient cleanup after the party. These disposable covers are ideal for any football-themed event. They add a festive touch and protect your table while you celebrate. You'll receive a pack of 6 tablecloths, featuring 3 distinct football-themed designs. They create a strong, immersive atmosphere for your football party. What we like. Get more value with this pack of 6 tablecloths, featuring 3 distinct football-themed designs to add variety to your decorations. Made from smooth PE material, they offer excellent protection against stains and scratches. If you need multiple tablecloths for a larger event or want to mix and match designs for a more dynamic look, this set is a fantastic option for easy cleanup and festive flair. What people say. The fabric is durable and holds up well to frequent use. The design is vibrant and adds a fun touch to any party. It's easy to clean and wipe down after spills. Number 3. Ambesonne Ocean Tropical Beach Tablecloth. Bring the beauty of a tropical beach paradise right to your dining room. This tablecloth features an exotic palm and clean sand seen by the sea. Crafted from high-quality, silky satin fabric, it offers a luxurious feel. The hand-sewn finished edges ensure durability and a polished look. Measuring 60 inches wide by 84 inches long, it's the perfect size for your dining table. It creates a wonderful setting for family and friends to enjoy together. This cover is machine washable on a cold cycle, making it easy to clean. Its durable design is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Add a touch of unique, fun, and versatile style to your kitchen or dining area. It's a simple way to elevate your home decor. What we like. This tablecloth is crafted from high-quality, silky satin fabric, offering a luxurious feel and elegant drape. Its generous size and durable construction make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings, and it's conveniently machine washable. If you're looking to create a more sophisticated and reusable table setting for any occasion, this option provides a touch of class and practicality. What people say. The fabric is durable and holds up well to frequent use. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and clear football designs. It's easy to clean and wipe down, making it practical for parties and events. Number 2. Ambesonne American Football Sports Tablecloth. Introducing a highly unique and versatile tablecloth. Its fun design adds a special touch to any setting. Crafted from high-quality, silky satin fabric, this tablecloth feels luxurious. It features hand-sewn finished edges for a polished look. It creates a wonderful and luxurious setting for your family and friends. Enjoy meals and gatherings together in style. This tablecloth is machine washable on a cold cycle, making it easy to clean. It's durable enough for both indoor and outdoor use. Measuring 52 inches wide by 70 inches long, it's the perfect size for most rectangular dining tables. It offers both style and practicality. The rich brown and beige tones, inspired by traditional sports imagery, bring a warm and inviting feel to your decor. What we like. Made from a high-quality, woven silky satin fabric, this tablecloth boasts a unique American football leather laces design. It's designed to be both beautiful and durable, with hand-sewn edges and machine washability for easy care. If you appreciate a blend of sporty aesthetics and elegant material, and want a reusable tablecloth that adds a unique touch to your dining or kitchen decor, this is a great pick. What people say. The fabric is durable and holds up well to frequent use. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and clear football designs. It's easy to clean and wipe down, making it practical for parties or game days. Number 1. Gatherfun Football Party Supplies Kit. Get ready for the ultimate football party. This all-in-one kit is designed to serve up to 24 guests, making your celebration a guaranteed win. Our pack includes dinner plates, dessert plates, cups, and napkins, all featuring a vibrant football field design. It's perfect for birthdays or any game day event. Don't waste time washing dishes. This disposable tableware set lets you focus on the game and enjoy more moments with your friends and family. From the touchdown tablecloth to the themed cups and plates, every detail is crafted to create an exciting gaming atmosphere. It's ideal for tailgates and sports events. Our partyware is made with durable, thick cardboard and printed with food-grade inks. You can serve your favorite game day snacks with confidence, knowing it's safe and reliable. Discuss the game rules on the field tablecloth, cheer for touchdowns with themed cups, and show off your favorite plays with our specially designed paper plates. What we like. This is more than just a tablecloth, it's a comprehensive party kit designed to serve 24 guests, including plates, cups, napkins, a banner, and 2 touchdown-themed tablecloths. The design is inspired by the football field, creating an immersive gaming atmosphere. If you're planning a football birthday party or game day celebration and want to simplify your party planning by getting all your themed essentials in one go, this kit is incredibly convenient and saves you time. What people say. The fabric is durable and easy to clean, making it perfect for parties. The football design is vibrant and attractive, adding a fun touch to any event. It fits standard rectangular tables perfectly, providing full coverage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.